Okay, so this is wall plane Mills mess, at least a variation on it. And all we're really doing is just a basic wall plane cascade, the 4X pattern with swings. If you don't know this, you have to learn this first. Get it sort of lofty, not too high, just get your comfortable height. And all that's happening is one of the throws, you're just basically doing a tennis with one of the throws, and you're gonna throw to your other hand like a normal toss, but instead of swinging down here and throwing again, you're gonna swing under and over your shoulder and swing and throw from your shoulder. So you'll be like swinging upward, like upward butterfly, over your shoulder and throw from behind. So it'll be like one of those guys. And that's basically all that's happening. You're just doing this back. So for the 1 point practice, just practice this back and forth. From there you can practice the 2 point version, where you just throw from your shoulder. And like just practice that like back and forth once or twice on each side. Just get into your wall plane cascade, just your basic one, and just try to throw one in. And it's just gonna be right when you catch it. Don't even like think about the throw. Just like right when you catch it, you're just gonna swing down and over your shoulder. And just it's sort of like a loft. And you gotta sort of do this like a reverse penguin thing, where you sort of like bend your wrist this way so it releases smoothly upward. You wanna have that smooth release from that penguin. Just do your dominant hand first and just throw it, that over shoulder throw, and just try to do that, you know, like every other or something, every other right hand for a while, and then do like every other left hand. Once you get comfortable with your right and left hands, doing that overhand throw separately, then you can try throwing it back to back. Just like one time, just flash it. Right hand, left hand. All right, and then once you get like real cozy with that, just sort of tennis, like back and forth once, try doing like three throws. Like right, left, and then end on right again. And then just go back into your cascade. And do the same thing, alternating right and left hands. And then just try to run it as much as you can. Don't try like drilling it more than like, you know, 20 minutes at a time or something. It's just gonna make your brain kind of reel. And don't overthink it. It's a really basic movement. You're not doing like a complex throw. So you don't need to put like a lot of body movement into it. A lot of people like swing their arm real high. And you could do that later to accentuate it, but just when you're first learning it, just try to do that basic throw and just simplify it as much as you can. Flame 2017. I almost was thinking 2015. I'm like, oh, that's 2 years off. That's not even 1 year off. Oh yeah, nice. And just like hashtag 2017, like right at, yeah, like or asterisk 2017. Whoops. My name is Jeremiah. This is Flame 2017, and this is the Mills Mess wall plane variation. Tight?